The Big Mac has always been McDonald's main staple, but now there is a new Mac that is in town. Good everyone, so today we got another episode of At Home, and today we are doing the Chicken Big Mac. Yeah, the Chicken Big Mac that has now become so popularized because of popular streamer Kai Cenat and others. And I know Kai got in his bag earning that money to get sponsored by McDonald's to do that. But I've been seeing everyone try out the Chicken Big Mac, and they all been saying the same thing. They say it just tastes like a big chicken nugget with Big Mac sauce. And I'm just like, come on now, it can't be that bad. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make the Chicken Big Mac at home, and that's what we are doing today. So let's get ready to make this Chicken Big Mac, and let's go ahead and get our ingredients together. First thing we're gonna do is get the patties for the Chicken Big Mac together, and we are using ground chicken. Now, you can ground your own chicken or process your own chicken, but honestly, who has time for that? And I know everyone doesn't possess a meat processor, so hey, go to your grocery store and buy the ground chicken. Hey, this is just as fine. 1 pound of ground chicken, some salt and pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of slap your mama. Just a small amount. Now give that a good mix. Once mixed, this is how it should look, nice and seasoned. Now let's go ahead and form our patties. We aren't gonna want them too thick or too small. Just gonna pat them out. You want them kind of thin with a small thickness. That's how you want them. Okay, so this seems like a decent size right here. So just gonna sit that down onto the tray. And with them all formed, you're gonna sit these in the freezer for about 15 to 30 minutes to let them stiffen up. And now let's get to working on the Big Mac sauce. All right, Big Mac sauce. There's been a lot of controversy when it comes to the sauce through all the many imitations and interpretations of it. And the biggest thing that I see is people who use ketchup and people who don't use ketchup. If you don't know, if you look at the ingredients of Big Mac sauce, especially when McDonald's tried to sell it, there was never no ingredients of no tomatoes or nothing inside the sauce. And so many people took to online to make their own variations of Big Mac sauce, and some people use ketchup and some people didn't use ketchup. They say the original sauce, the color really just comes from the paprika and the mustard combining together. But one thing that I did see that a lot of people are doing inside the sauce, instead of onion powder, they're adding that, but they're also either doing finely chopped onions or grated onions, and that's what we're gonna be adding in today to my Big Mac sauce. So, 2 tablespoons of mayo, yellow mustard, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper, pickle relish, grated onion. Now start giving this a good mix. And after mixing, here we have it, 1 Big Mac sauce all done. Now that looks thoroughly good and seasoned. For our dredge, in 2 separate containers, you're going to take equal parts flour. This right here, we're just simply going to coat the patty in. While in this one, we are going to make a light batter, because that's how McDonald's stuff is coated, especially their chicken nuggets and chicken products. And we're pretty much gonna use all the same seasonings we used earlier. So salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, slap your mama. Don't slap your mama for real, the seasoning. And we're gonna add in a small amount of heat with cayenne pepper. Just a small amount. That's good right there. Now with a whisk and some good old club soda, start pouring that in. And get the mixing. And after mixing, we are looking for a light pancake batter-like consistency, just like this. Not too thick and not too runny. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the patty, coat it in the flour, then coat it in this and drop it in the oil. Patty nice and stiff. What we're gonna do is take it, toss it in the flour. Then into the light batter. Drip off any excess. Then slowly just drop this in. And once done frying, this is how it's gonna look. Nice and golden brown. Crispy and delicious. Now let's finish frying up the rest of them. Chicken all cooked, let's go ahead and toast our buns. Buns all toasted, now let's assemble the sandwich. Starting off assembling our chicken Big Mac, got the bottom bun. Then we add in our Big Mac sauce. Make a nice bed of that on the bottom bun. Then next we have some shredded iceberg lettuce. You can pre-chop it yourself, or you can go ahead and buy it chopped. Just make sure you do a thorough rinse off of it. Now a good slice of American cheese. Then our chicken patty, the first one. I should have got some larger buns, y'all, but we're gonna make it work. Then the infamous middle bun, and as you can see, I had to take one bottom of an extra bun, but I toasted it on both sides. Place that in the middle. Another scooping of that Big Mac sauce. More lettuce. Another chicken patty. Another layer of cheese to crown it. Put the top bun on top, and everyone, there you have it, one chicken Big Mac.
It's an extra Big Mac.
You say what?
Extra big Mac.
Yeah, everyone look at this. Now that is what you call a chicken Big Mac. That is gonna be one hefty bite you gotta do. What y'all think? So everyone, here we are at the end of the video, and I must say, this thing is humongous, huge. Hold on, let me hold this up. I cut it in half already. But yeah, this is the chicken Big Mac. And there's only one thing left to do. Let's see if it tastes like actual Big Mac just with chicken. You about to enjoy me trying to bite into this, aren't you? You better not record me.
I'm not.
Stop.
See your video, baby.
I'll see what I got to do. I'm turning around, y'all.
Do it for the video. Come on.
Oh my God.
Open wide.
Stop. Sorry, I got some stuff in my mouth. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, McDonald's, y'all might be onto something with this one, but of course, since I made it myself, it probably might be about 99% better than y'all's, but it is what it is. But this person did it so well. That Big Mac sauce, the seasoned chicken. So before y'all get on me in the comments, like I said, y'all can use ketchup if you want to or not in the sauce. That's completely up to you, whichever one you choose. Hey, have at it, but this was good. This at home was good. As soon as I saw when the chicken Big Mac come out, I was just like, oh yeah, I gotta make that. And I made it, and it was worthwhile. But all right, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you like this video, comment down below, share it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and stay tuned for the next at home video. Peace.